Hey guys, this is Angie and I'm doing it. Today I am organizing my mess. I have a mess. I have too much stuff and my trainer canceled yesterday, so um I don't, have to rush off. I'm going to sit here and organize and prune down, cut off a lot of stuff and put it back in my car because I have too many things. And I'm going to bear down to the bare minimum that I would need on the road, because I know I overdid it because I've always had a lot of stuff because I always wanted to build myself a camper van and have things in it. So I brought a lot of those things with me from home. Oh, it's hot in here. Why is it on 70 degrees? Okay, cool this room off. And so I have this will be just my suitcase for clothes. I'm going to get it down to the minimum here. I have too many. They said for us to have 10 days worth. If 7 days, I think is great, and then just wash your clothes. And I mostly country. I wash them in the sink. I don't necessarily have to go to the terminal to wash my clothes because I try to wash them at night. And I have plenty of like canned goods and stuff. So I'm gonna try to organize everything. But I have 3 suitcases that I'm gonna carry with me. So first I had a lot of bungee cords tied up with things with other bags tied on top of the other bags and trying to roll it together. And I'm gonna make it where I don't need those bungee cords or anything. Um, I have a small suitcase which I'm going to try to organize. Right here is like my toothbrush and mouthwash and stuff. So I'm going to try to, I'm not advertising for anything in here, anyone, not getting paid to advertise for anybody. But I'm going to bear it down to this one possibly being my cleaning and canned goods. Cleaning items and bathing items and canned goods. This one would be with my sleeping items and food because it has a pouch on here that is so cool. It's a pouch in here, plastic, that all my dry goods are in. You know, rice and stuff, and nuts and everything, and then I'll have like clothes, cleaning items, and canned goods, and hair products and stuff, sleeping items, and dry food. That's how I'm going to do it. So I have a sleeping bag and a all-around blanket, which I can sleep under when it's cold. I can sleep under it when it's hot. I love this blanket. I have so many of them. And I have, of course, my own towels, which I haven't had to use because I've been in hotels. So, but if I do over the road, I will have to use them. So I had all those things in this bag, but I think it had been in my basement, or I don't know if I had this in the basement or out in my storage at home, and it, I guess, dry rotted. So all the things just came off. So I'm going to try to repair it and just take it off here and sew it to here in the square here. So I'm probably going to try to put it back on or glue it back on or something in the future. I really like this bag because my kids gave me this bag for, I think, for my birthday or for Christmas, guest bag. Not that that means anything, but it's a nice bag my kids got me. But it still has the handle on it, and so far this hasn't, torn. It doesn't look like it's going to tear. So I'm going to take everything that I don't need and not take it with me on the truck in here. So I'm going to figure it out one by one and get everything neat. And that way I'll just have the one roll. I have 3 rolling bags. And this one I can possibly just carry. This one's like a duffel bag. I really could carry it on my shoulder too. But I'll roll this one, and roll that one. So I'm pretty much set. Even if I have to use the bungee cords and put this one on my clothing bag and bungee them together and just roll them on the one wheel, or vice versa, whatever. But I'm getting it together, and I'm going to organize my mess, because it's a mess. And yes, I'm still here. I had a trainer, and my trainer counseled on me last night. He said he had family problems, so I have to wait on another trainer. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'm doing it. I'm hoping to get to drive this truck once I get out of this training, because in training you're actually driving the truck. So I am driving the truck. So don't give up on your dreams. Keep on trying to do it, because Angie's doing it. Bye bye, guys.